My daily commute to work is a part of my routine. I live a bit far from my workplace, so I take the train to get there. I've learned to make the most of my commuting time. In the morning, I board the train with a coffee in hand. I like to sip on my coffee and read a book or listen to music during the ride. It's a peaceful start to the day, and it helps me relax before work. During the commute, I also use the time to plan my day. I make a to-do list and set goals. This way, when I arrive at the office, I'm organized and ready to tackle my tasks. The evening commute is a bit different. I usually unwind by watching a TV show or chatting with friends and family on my phone. It's a nice way to transition from work mode to home mode. My daily commute may be long, but I've turned it into a productive and enjoyable time. It's all about making the most of those minutes on the train.